Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Next, coming to the conventional treatment part, which is the allopathic form of treatment or the Western form of treatment, as we say so. If you're someone who's experiencing differences in the menstrual cycle, or if you're someone who's experiencing conception problems or pregnancy related problems because of this fibroid, if you visit a gynecologist, they will be usually suggesting you for oral contraceptives or for POP pills or IUDs or GnRH antagonists. Remember, here we are not talking about people who are married or have had their children or people who are unmarried. Here we are talking about a specific section who wants to get pregnant. So if you are someone who wants to get pregnant or planning for pregnancy, oral contraceptives, they have contraception in their own name, you can't do that, right? Second thing is you can't use an IUD because obviously that is also for contraception and also it is not useful. Third thing is GnRH antagonist or agonist as such. So what do? They cause a menopause-like symptom in the body where they deplenish the estrogen and progesterone level. So you will be experiencing menopausal-like symptoms. Remember, these three things have something in common. They're useful for heavy bleeding, to control the heavy bleeding, and they're useful so as to shrink the fibroid. But remember, they have certain progesterone in them, which can also trigger the growth of a fibroid instead of shrinking the fibroid. So the pathway is to shrink the fibroid, but it can also sometimes trigger its growth. So you do not actually have a cure for fibroid in the conventional form of treatment. And if you're someone who's planning for pregnancy, you're not only looking for shrinking of the fibroid, you're looking for pregnancy options as well. So you need a medicine which will shrink the fibroid without giving you side effects and also without giving you any problem during pregnancy, and also something that will not mess up with the hormones. Okay, and then they will be advising you for NSAIDs, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which are usually prescribed for pain. They do not do anything to shrink the fibroid or to decrease your menstrual symptoms, but they will be only dealing with pain. If you're using NSAIDs for a longer period of time, you will be experiencing gastric symptoms, which is acute gastritis, and also if you are experiencing acute gastritis, or it can be converted into chronic if on a longer run, and also it can cause nutritional deficiencies. Apart from that, if you're someone who is experiencing a lot of pain and having a big fibroid, they would advise you for myomectomy, which is taking out the fibroid as such, preserving the uterus. That is what you should be looking for if you want to have a pregnancy. But remember, after myomectomy, you can have a recurrence or a re-attack of the fibroid. So this is not the cure, it's just a symptom removal. But if you're planning for pregnancy, hysterectomy is not even in the option because they will be removing the uterus as such. So these are some of the options in conventional form of treatment where there are some backdrops of it, where they are not able to cure the case, where there is no proper cure agenda, where there is no proper health improvement, and also there can be chances of recurrence. But you need a medicine which will cover all of this, and that is nothing but homeopathy. Coming to the homeopathic form of treatment, here the medicines are utterly safe to use. First thing, there is no side effects for the given medication. That is the other thing. And also the recurrence in homeopathy compared to allopathic form of treatment or compared to the conventional form of treatment is very low. So if you're someone who is taking homeopathic medications for your present condition of fibroids, the recurrency rate of it is very, very low compared to the conventional form of treatment. And here we will be offering you with fibroid shrinkage, where the fibroids will start to shrink, the menses will start to get better, your anemia will start to get better, where you are having good blood, and also apart from this, you will have overall improvement and less recurrences. All of these are happening without any side effects, and it is utterly safe to use. So if you're someone who's experiencing fibroids, do try homeopathic form of treatment for your fibroids or for your hormonal imbalance as well, because it balances your hormones also. By balancing the hormone, and if the fibroid doesn't grow, it will start to shrink, the medicine given will start to shrink it, and the reoccurrence also will not occur. But if you're just concentrating on shrinking the fibroid, the hormonal imbalance will be there again, it can cause fibroids. If you're someone who's experiencing hormonal imbalances, we have already done a video on it. You can come and check it in the description box, the link will be given. So holistically it will cure your case. It will relieve the symptoms, and further recurrences can be prevented in homeopathic form of treatment. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids and watching a video, if you want to have a good cure for your symptoms as such, you should be choosing Fiticus Homeopathy. In Fiticus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fiticus, and in-person consultation if you're staying near the nearest branch of Fiticus. In online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation and the second one is the video consultation. You can approach us through either one of it. And also, after the consultation has been done, and if you're having any sort of investigations already done, you can share it with us. After the case taking and the doctor consultation, the medicines will be delivered to you, especially to the online clients. Home delivery will be done. If you're staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you want to contact us, you can contact us to the given number here, either through WhatsApp, either through call, or either through message. Okay. And if you want to know more about Fiticus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fiticus.com. If you are experiencing any sort of fibroid issues, infertility, or female reproductive diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, chocolate cyst, or hemorrhagic cyst, PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods, if you're looking for cure, Fiticus Homeopathy is the answer. Why is it that you should choose Fiticus Homeopathy? Because Fiticus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. First, the reason for doing this video is itself because of the high and good amount of success rates that we are having in this female reproductive organ diseases. Second is the transparent treatment, where there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third thing is the personal care. The personal care here at Fiticus is really top notch. The reason for this video is because of the personal care. That is because in-persons or the online clients have asked us so much of questions that we wanted to do a video in order to convey it and also in order to educate other people. So the personal care, we will be discussing in detail all of your myths. We will be busting it and we will be educating you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to have an answer for all of your diseases, Fiticus Homeopathy is the answer. So choose Fiticus Homeopathy if you want to choose cure. Thank you.